First, connect to the power. Insert the plug of the power cord into the electrical socket, and then turn on the main switch of the machine. Now, the machine has power supply. Set the temperature first. The master switch for temperature setting is here. The symbol in the middle is temperature setting. This injection molding machine has 3 temperature zones. The machine head is the first zone. The screw is the second zone. And the nozzle is the third zone. This is the temperature in the first zone. Now we are using PP material. The temperature in zone 1 and zone 2 is between 150 and 200 degrees. The temperature in the third zone is between 50 and 60 degrees. We set the temperature of these zones. Each temperature zone has a switch. Here is the temperature setting. Set the preset temperature first. After reaching the set temperature, we proceed to the next step. It's almost at preset temperature now. Exit the current page of the home page. Fill in the plastic resin we are going to use. Now the temperature has almost reached our preset temperature. Continue to operate on the control interface. This is the automatic button of the machine. Press the automatic button of the machine first. Now start to set the mold opening stroke. This is the setting button for the mold opening stroke. At present, the mold opening stroke we set is 116 mm. We click here, enter the trip number here.
输入数据后按确定。这就是开模形成的设定。
Go back to the home page. Then, start the machine. Mold closing stroke. Pressure holding process. Mold opening stroke. Clamping stroke. Injection process. Pressure holding process. Mold opening stroke. Injection parts drop. Clamping stroke.
注射过程。
Pressure holding process.
开模过程。
Now, adjustment of injection volume. Press the setup button. Now set injection volume. Set the screw speed first, then adjust the injection volume. Now, back to home page. Check the protective cover. Mold opening. When starting up, manual operation is required. Manual mode setting. Right here. We're going to keep this injection to 1. Press the OK button. After this is confirmed, the machine only runs 1 cycle. This is called the manual mode. Check mold opening space. Start a new cycle now.